the day. Now I can play Roblox. Wait, I needed a bookmark. Jake, can I borrow one of your bookmarks?
No, you can't.
The bookmark can talk?
Yes, I can talk. I was created for this book. So you can't use me in yours.
What about this green bookmark from this monster book?
No. I'm a slimy monster. I made for this monster book. Why don't you make one yourself? So you can design a bookmark that fits well with your book.
That's a good idea. I want a Harry Potter bookmark, but I don't know how to make it. Jake, are you asleep? I'm not, I'm just reading. Oh. Do you want to make a Harry Potter bookmark? Yeah. I will show you how to make it. Okay. These are the things we need to make a bookmark. Fold the paper diagonally in half to form a triangle. Fold the bottom corner up to meet the top point and repeat it with the other corners to create a diamond shape. Fold the top corner down to meet the center crease. And repeat the same with the other two corners, tucking the corners neatly into the flap. Then the basic bookmark is complete. Now it's time to get creative. Get the smaller paper and use markers to personalize your bookmark. Finally, stick your drawing to the bookmark with glue, and then we are finished! Let's have a look at Jovi making her Harry Potter bookmark. My scary monster bookmark. Look at my lovely Harry Potter bookmark.
Jovi, I love your Harry Potter's drawing. Well done. Can you do me a favor here? Can you redraw my face? Because I want to be as handsome as Harry. Yeah, you look ugly. And Jovi's daddy's drawing is horrible too.
Jovi, let's say goodbye, and then we can play Roblox. Okay. Also, I hope you enjoy making your lovely bookmarks too. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.
Wait, Jake, you haven't finished your 15 minutes reading. Come back here.